My name is Shannah and I've been with CarShield for 2 years. I am a real person. I wanted to share my testimonial because it has been very helpful for me, and CarShield has gotten me through 3 different claims. I had my entertainment center fixed, which was big because I have 3 kids. The biggest one was my transmission, and that was a lifesaver. I found out that it was my transmission that went out. I felt like I wanted to cry, but knowing that I would be able to count on CarShield to fix it was a huge relief for me. I found out how much my repair bill was gonna be. It was like, am I gonna pay for this? But knowing that I was gonna be covered through CarShield just gave me so much relief. If someone was contemplating whether to get CarShield coverage or not, I would tell them 100% go with it because it's been a lifesaver for me, and I haven't had this great of experience with any other company.